Hello everybody, this is Daryl Whitman with DestinationWVFTV. Thank you for watching. Crew members aboard Carnival Venezia had to handle an emergency situation that actually happened during an emergency drill. The incident happened while the ship was docked in St. Thomas on Friday, May 10th. St. Thomas was the first port of call on Carnival Venezia's current sailing, an 11-night Eastern Caribbean voyage from New York that embarked on Monday, May 6th. It's common for crew safety drills to be conducted while a ship is in port, and most guests are off the ship enjoying a new destination. This gives crew members plenty of room to work and ensure proper procedures are being followed, while being less confusing and disruptive for guests. According to a report on Crew Center, the standard emergency drill was underway when a man overboard alert was called. A further announcement was made to clarify that this was not part of the drill, but was an actual emergency situation. A crew member had fallen overboard from Carnival Venezia's aft. The ship rescue boat, a small yellow craft that can be launched quickly and maneuvered easily, was immediately brought into service and sped to the crew member's position in the water. He was easily taken aboard and did not appear to have any severe injuries. Thank God for that. The crew member has not been identified, but was wearing a blue work jumpsuit and a bright yellow automatically inflating life vest that is easily visible in the water. Most likely, the crew member was working on the ship's hull when he slipped and fell into the water. While cruise ships are docked, crew members often perform maintenance such as window or balcony washing, painting, and other tasks that are not possible to do while the vessel is at sea. All emergency personnel responded swiftly to this unexpected incident and carried out the rescue quickly and efficiently. The brief emergency did not cause any disruption to Carnival Venezia's onboard activities, nor was the ship's itinerary impacted in any way. After St. Thomas, the ship visited San Juan on Saturday, May 11th, and still has calls to Amber Cove, Grand Turk, and Half Moon Cay on the itinerary before she will return to New York on Friday, May 17th. The Carnival Venezia can welcome 4,208 guests aboard for each sailing at double occupancy, or up to 5,260 travelers when fully booked. She is also home to over 1,200 international crew members. Thank you for watching. While you're here, we invite you to subscribe with us. We would love to have you as part of our growing YouTube community. Thank you, God bless, and goodbye. This is Daryl Whitman. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode of Destination WVF TV.